Hello guys, so today I'm gonna tell you about my testing of Ibox project, what it is. So basically what is Ibox? So Ibox is an application which syncs the any folder on a local file system with the Google Drive. So in another words, what it's gonna do, whenever you're gonna update any file, you're gonna insert any file into that folder which is synced with Google Drive, then that file will also be uploaded on the Google Drive. And if you're gonna delete it from the local file system, that folder, any file from that particular folder which is synced with Google Drive, then the same file will be deleted from the Google Drive also. So now let's come to the working of it. And basically this was not developed my way, I have done the testing of it. So let's check it out, let's understand the working of it, how it is actually working. So let's run this Java application. So it has given me one link based on my credentials in this application, Google Drive credentials. So what I'm gonna do, I will gonna paste it on the browser, and then it will gonna ask me the account. So this is my account which is having a similar credential of this. So it will give me the key to access the Google Drive from any app. So this is my key, and I'm gonna paste it in this. So it is asking for key font right now. I've given the key to it. Okay, fine. So now it's working. So basically this particular folder, let me check which particular folder is configured with this sync with my Google Drive. So okay, desktop drive folder is there. Okay, so this is the desktop and drive folder is this. So these all files are already over there in this. Now I'm gonna put, let's say, test1.java. So now first see whether the test1.java is there or not. So this is my Google Drive. Okay, see, test1.java is not over here. Okay, fine. So now let's put this file, copy this file, control C and paste it over here, control V, test1.java. Now let's see what's, see, it is saying what, entry create. So it has returned the file ID which is generated by Google Drive, and it is saying that entry has been putted, and the file is went into the Google Drive directly. See, test1.java right over here, to the Google Drive. See, test1.java is over here. And now we're gonna do, we're gonna similarly, if you wanna delete any file from this drive with this folder while the app is running, then it will gonna delete the same file from the Google Drive if it is present over there. Okay, so test1.java, deleted it, and see, it is saying that file is deleted. It is a same number as see, same file ID is this, similar. So this is how it actually works, this app. Now I'm gonna I'll tell you that how I did the testing and what all hurdles I have while doing it. So now let's. The first problem which came to me when I was doing the testing of it. Firstly I was using the JUnit. So in JUnit, assert has to be used. So assert is to be used when like function is returning any value. So it is having some, every method, not some, like every method, see, every method is void, null, they are returning nothing. So it was a challenge for me, like how to get test this function. It is not returning anything. This. Secondly, my professor asked me to test it without the use of internet, since the Google Drive requires internet. So how will I test it? So I got a solution. So what I did to solve these issue, I used the Mockito library. What is this? Mockito library is a library which is used for testing, and it creates the mock object of any API, and it will gonna pass it directly to the class. So what I did, see, these all this is the Mockito library which I've used over here, and I have created the mock object of Google Drive. See, this is the drive, this is a Google Drive, and see Google Drive, and I've created the mock object and put it into the mock drive, and similarly I inject the mock drive into file sync manager, the actual way it was usually working with internet connectivity. So now I have disconnected it, so no internet and all. So this is how I've created a void setup for test add file. I've created every possible case. I've created a test method, the test add file. So when the file input throws the test method throws input output exception, so whether it's working or not with input output exception. So I put it over here, expected exception, input output exception. So similarly I did this with get file id, input output exception when it is showing input output exception. Similarly for every method I created like 11 test cases for methods, like 4 methods. So let's run this out, and run this unit test. So basically, oh, it's passed, all of them is passed. So this is all my test method I've created: test at file, get file id, null. So when it says green, so it says success. So delete with exception, delete with null, delete with this, delete with test get file IO exception, test Google Drive file sync manager, test update file with IO exception, input output exception. So this is how I've done this, and yep, I've completed it and I got full grades. Thank you for watching my video.